Ano yung tingin nyo sa aking luto today? Is it okoy or is it pinakbet? It's so interesting. Let's cook it, our crispy pinakbet, here on The Simple Kitchen. Can you guess what we're making? Medyo kakaiba. It's a very familiar dish, but we're doing like a fun spin to it. We are making pinakbet, but making it crispy. Ito, ginagawa ko siyang parang okoy. So, it's a two-in-one sort of like a recipe that blends together two Filipino favorites. And let's see if it works. Hindi ko pa nagawa to before, pero feeling ko it's an interesting take on these classic favorites. Ito naman aking talong, I will julienne as well. Ako, very important na you still get to enjoy the dish. Na it's a twist, pero it's not an parang sobrang off na when you eat it, magiging weird yung lasa. Kasi yung flavors natin will just be very much the same. The only difference is that there's a textural change in the because of the cooking method, because we're frying our fritters, no? So, ito, talong, ito na siya. Now we are making our batter. Ito lang siya ha, combination of flour, harina, cornstarch. So this is around 1.5 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. So ito siya, it depends on the amount of vegetables you are using ha. So you make that adjustment. So ito, combine ko siya. Now I will add a bit of baking powder. So it's going to be light and airy and very crispy. Yan. Combine all of that. Yan. And para magkalasa yung ating okoy, we are adding our Maggi Magic Sarap. So ating okoy magiging malasa na because of our Maggi. And a touch of black pepper. And all we have to do now is add our cold water. Not too much. So ating batter you'll be ready. Kung gusto natin mapula-pula to, pwede natin lagyan ng konting atsuete. Yan. So, optional yan ha. Tatabi ko lang tong aking batter to let it rest. And ito, magsisimula ako ng aking pinakbet component sa aking dish. So, ito, meron tayong giniling instead of the meat or the bagnet or the shrimp. Ito, gamit natin ay giniling. Oil, konting oil. Then, usual gisa lang tayo, no? So, bawang, sibuyas. Yan. So, very pinakbet, no? Of course, hindi siya authentic, ha? Yan. Gisa-gisa. Go. Ako excited ako sa dish na to kasi feeling ko it's going to work. And it's a really fun take on the pinakbet. Pag lumambot na yung ating onions and tomatoes, lalagay natin yung ating konting giniling, no? Konting giniling lang yan. Siguro mga less than 100 grams. So ito, yung ating giniling, para hindi siya maging flavorless, it's going to be malinamnam. We are adding our Maggi Magic Sarap. Yan. Ito. So, even yung flavor natin. Dahil pinakbet nga, we are adding our bagoong. So ito, gagawin natin dito. Medyo pasty, hindi saucy yung ating bagoong. First pinakbet element will be our vegetables, the choice of our vegetables for our okoy. And this will be like a pinakbet paste. Yan. So ito siya, you adjust the seasoning based on the kind of bagoong you're using. Kasi may puro sobrang alat na bagoong, may sobrang matamis. Adjust ka na lang the way you want it to be. Pero ito siya, I just want this to be a bit pasty. Ayaw ko siya maging watery, no? So, i-reduce ko talaga to na medyo magiging dryish yung kanyang mixture, which I will put aside. And I will now heat up my pan with for my oil to fry my okoy or pinakbet fritters. Yan. So, itong ating batter, which has rested for a few minutes. Yan. It's now time to add our vegetables. So, we have our okra. Puputulin ko lang tong okra kasi medyo mahaba. and added to the batter. Yung batter natin now, look at that. Medyo thick pa siya, no? Medyo malapot. That's not the kind of consistency we want. But, I already considered na pag hinalo ko tong aking vegetables, magtutubig siya. Di ba? So, it's when I add my vegetables and they release their parang juices, magiging mas malabnaw yung batter natin. Ito, ampalaya. Yan. So, add our ampalaya. Pinigaan na natin to, salted, and the excess juices removed. And we have our sitaw. I will cut my sitaw into smaller pieces. So, it's up to you how you want to interpret this. Pero ako, I really think this is going to work. O, comment below kung trip itong pinanggagawa ko dito. Kasi we're just having fun in the kitchen, di ba? Siguro, pag bata, pag gusto niya ng mga crispy stuff, they might actually like it, no? Yan. Kasi alam mo, pag crispy stuff, it's very appealing kasi it's like chips. Mix natin itong ating vegetables. Yan. So, ang ating butter, hindi siya masyadong marami. You see, na it's just enough to coat the vegetables. And we will let this rest a little while, no? Para yung mag-release siya ng enough water niya. Ganyan, ha? Tingnan mo yung mixture natin na hindi siya yung parang pancake. Nakikita pa rin natin yung vegetables. So, let's begin frying our okoy. Ito. Ilalagay ko ng konting oil ng aking spoon. And I will fill it up with this. Actually, maganda to. Pag ayaw nyo ng okra, baka magustuhan nyo itong pagluto nito. Kasi nawawala na yung sliminess niya. Nagiging crispy na. So, let's just fry, slide. Na? Flatten it. Oh. So, your oil dapat medium heat lang, ha. Pag masyadong mainit. Or else, masusunog agad tong ating okoy. Which we don't want to happen. Gusto natin hinay-hinay lang yung prito niya para what happens is that all the moisture dehydrates, no? And we have a very nice, crisp, and light na ulam. Yan, no? Yan. Yan, no? So, malalaman mo na lang siya na it's ready to flip. Pag nag-firm up na siya, hindi na siya nawawasak, no? So, the oil temperature is very important para ma-achieve mo yung perfect texture. Oh, tatabi natin to. Yan, first batch. Yan. After we fry, pag ilagay natin, huwag magsapaw-sapaw para maka-escape yung moisture or else mabilis na lumambot or kumunat yung ating okoy. So, add some more, fry some more. Excess oil has already dripped off. I will arrange. Fancy. Pang restaurant yung dating nito, ha. Ito, yung ating pinakbet na giniling, yung may bagoong. I will use it as topping on my okoy. Yan. Kaya, ginawa ko siyang dry para hindi siya maging watery at hindi magiging soggy yung ating okoy. Yan, oh. And para gumanda siya, garnish lang natin ng konting spring onions. Or you can make like a salsa, tomato, onion salsa. Depends on you. Diba? Fancy. Yan. And to finish it off, para masarap siya as an appetizer, we are adding, optional, no? Just to add more flavor and pop to our okoy. I'm so excited. Seriously, I'm so excited. Kasi napaka-interesting ng ating take, ng ating pinakbet na parang okoy na usually kasi ginagawa is like ginagawang tempura. But you don't get the pinakbet experience because you're eating vegetables individually. Eto siya. All the pinakbet vegetables in one fritter like an okoy and top with our ginisang giniling with the bagoong. which makes it a truly pinakbet experience. Let me bite. Mmm. 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 Do you hear the crunch? Mmm. Ang sarap. Perfect butter. Ang sarap ng... Alam mo, pag ginawa natin spicy yung bagoong on top, masarap ito masarap. Pero, for a little twist, feeling ko better. I added like spiced vinegar with lots of onions, minced onion. I'm gonna drizzle it on top to finish. Let's see how it turns out. Sarap. Actually, ang sarap niya. Seryoso. Oh? Ang sarap niya. I don't know how to describe it. Wow. It's a wow. And this is our recipe for today. Crispy, pinakbet okoy, simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.